Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, would you like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month? If you do, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So, when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically via JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs, and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my mentor's own product, Empire, and I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description. And I'll see you on the inside.
It's that time of the year, folks. The snow is falling, Santa and the reindeers are getting ready to load up their sleigh, and children across the world are hanging up their stockings and trying to be on their best behaviour. But what about us grown-ups here in marketing land? Well, this year I've decided to give away the greatest gift of all this Christmas. The gift of daily traffic forever. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my little helper and launch partner Sultan Al-Khazai, we're going to give you the best Christmas treat you've ever had. In just 60 seconds from now, you can be set up with free buyer traffic each and every day from 5 different traffic sources, including one brand new one unknown to virtually all marketers. Welcome to Xmas Traffic 2.0. I'm giving you the chance to enjoy free daily traffic from this brand new rotator for the rest of this year and every single day throughout 2023. All you do is submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds and we'll do all the rest. Here's what you get with your amazing Xmas Traffic 2.0 package. Firstly, place any URL on our brand new Xmas Traffic 2.0 rotator. This new rotator is currently completely empty, so those who act fast will enjoy 10 times more traffic than those who delay. Secondly, place any URL or the same one on our autumn traffic rotator and enjoy free daily traffic forever in any niche. Thirdly, you guessed it, place any URL on our summer traffic rotator for even more free daily traffic. Fourthly, place your URL on our spring traffic rotator for free daily traffic from my websites in the MMO niche. Fifthly, place any link on our winter traffic rotator for even more traffic from a completely different traffic source. And sixthly, learn how to get free organic traffic on demand whenever you need it with our amazing Total Traffic training. Getting all this is easy. Step 1. pick up your copy of Christmas Traffic 2.0 before the price goes up. If you delay, you will pay more. Step 2. Submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds. And step 3. Sit back and enjoy free daily traffic now and forever from 5 different traffic sources. But remember, those who act quickly will enjoy a 10 times traffic boost by getting their links on the brand new Christmas Traffic 2.0 Rotator before everyone else. So be sure you act today and submit your links immediately. So, this Christmas, pick up the gift that keeps on giving, because with Christmas Traffic 2.0, it really is Christmas every day of the year. Ho ho ho! We'll see you